Good day. Let us discuss English 2, Day 3, Week 5. Let us read the words the, she, on, they, but, at, with, all, there, out, have, am, do. Let us read a group of words. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today, we will be learning how to identify grade 2 level appropriate sight words, read words accurately and automatically according to the word pattern, initial, final, and medial, CVC words with medial E segments, accent, and rhyme. Read words correctly for meaning based on word patterns, and write words legibly, correctly, and based on words pattern. Let us read the poem. Match the correct pictures with each part of the poem. Ike and Ben, written by Mil F. Ponciano. In a tiny town near a huge blue lake, there was a friendly mouse named Ike. What is the correct picture for that part of the poem? One sunny day, Ike visited his nice friend, a goat named Ben. What is the correct picture for the part of the poem? Ben had a kite with colors so bright they flew it up way out of sight. What is the correct picture for that part of the poem? This time, let us continue reading the poem. Then they sat down under a big tree and had some tea, full of happiness and glee. When the sun went down, they waved goodbye with a big sight in the sky. Ike walked home feeling happy and glad for the fun they had with his friend Ben and their kite in the air. Look at each picture carefully. Say the name of the picture out loud. Pig, wig, lead, mix, kid. Read the words inside the flower vase and write the CVC words with middle E inside the flower. Read the words. For our generalization, we have learned that letter I has a sound. Reading words with letter I is done by all the letter sounds around it. For your evaluation, fill the missing beginning and ending letters to form a word. Write your answer on your notebook. And for your assignment, send a picture while reading the groups of words. And this is the end of our lesson.